all you fitness freaks out there. We are with Sonali Rao. Let's see what she wants to say about fitness. Hello Sonali.
Hello.
So how do you manage to stay fit during the busy schedules?
See, first of all, I'm a big fitness freak and I work out. My mantra in life is to be healthy, to stay fit, and being a fashion model because I've done a lot of campaigns, I've done the Kingfisher calendar and all. So obviously you need to be fit, thin, and more important, eat right. And I define fitness as it's my routine actually. So to be fit, I dance, I exercise, I go to the gym, I make sure like I work out like 3 times in a day, and I eat right. Yeah.
You are talking about eat right. So how much diet accommodates in fitness?
See, the thing is, I don't really diet until unless I have an assignment which I need to look like if they want to see me in a particular look. If I have to lose weight, if I have to look toned, I go more on a protein diet and less of carbs, and I eat like before 8 I finish my dinner. So, and I drink lots of water also, and I eat more fiber like fruits, vegetables, and chicken, protein, all that.
And who is your biggest motivator for being fit?
Being fit, actually, it runs in my family. It's genetics. So we have 5 sisters, and we all are very fit, even though so it runs in the family. And I would say, who do I find super fit? I think in Bollywood or Hollywood.
Your choice.
You're talking about men or women?
Again, your choice.
I think in Bollywood, I think Salman is very fit. And among the actresses, I think Priyanka Chopra and Deepika are like super hot.
In Hollywood?
In Hollywood, I really like Hugh Jackman. I think in Hollywood, everyone is fit. I can't just name one. So they really take care of themselves. And among the actresses, I like Jessica Alba, and who else do I have? I think everyone is fit in Hollywood because they really take care of themselves.
You see, run out the comedians.
Yeah, I think everyone is fit.
Yeah, and there is one big myth in India regarding protein shakes.
Yes.
They are thought as a steroid.
See, protein shake, I personally don't take protein shakes because I put on weight. So for me, strictly protein shake, like no. And I think protein shake is like, I think it's for the vegetarians because you get protein from non-veg. You eat like fish, chicken, eggs.
Yes.
Like people who are like vegetarian, they can have protein shake. So that's like a supplement. But myth, I don't know. See, personally, I don't have protein shakes because I tend to put on. So protein shake, for me, it's no.
It's no.
Yeah.
Okay, good. And what to say about cheat diet?
Cheat diet. I think because you're a human being, you crave. I've been on diet, so I've craved like anything. So I would say you can cheat once in a week. You can have whatever you want to have. You can have pizza, pani puri, whatever you feel like. I think once in a week.
It is important.
Yeah. Once in a week you can cheat. If you want, you can cheat for like 2 times also.
Inspiration to them. A quote, anything.
Okay, my mantra, I would say, is stay fit and stay happy.
Okay, thank you so much, Sonali.
Thank you.
Nice meeting you. Stay fit and stay
happy. Thank you.
Hi guys, this is Sunny Singh and you are watching Ask Jayesh.
I think diet plays a very important role in fitness. Diet mein aap
My main mantra was to listen to Salman Khan because he is the one who made me fit and made me healthy.